Okay, we will solve this one. Which of the following is the slope-intercept form of the equation 3x plus 2y equals 6? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, kopyahin muna natin yung ating equation na 3x plus 2y equals 6. And then, gawin nating slope-intercept form. So, kopyahin muna natin ito, si positive 2y, hindi siya na-transpose or hindi siya na-change. Nasa sa left side pa rin siya. So, therefore, this is positive 2y equals si 3x ito, transpose natin sa right side. So, from left to right, so we have to change the sign. So, from positive, magiging negative 3x. Then, kopyahin natin ito si plus 6. Hindi siya na-change. So, ganun pa rin yung sign niya. So, positive 6. Ngayon, i-divide natin both members of the equation by the coefficient of y. So, kinopya ko na lang yan. The same pa rin yan. 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. Then, i-divide natin both members of the equation by the coefficient of y, which is 2. So, i-divide natin yan, both members of the equation. Then, i-cancel natin yan kasi 2 divided by 2 is 1 or y na lang yung naiwan. So, equals. So, this is negative 3 over 2 x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so therefore, sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.